Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I am so excited about this soap. I got a fragrance from Crafter's Choice called Killer Queen, and I was ecstatic that it absolutely, when you listen to the song by Queen, it goes with it. So I am keeping this fragrance the same name as, or the soap the same name as the fragrance. And what I want to do is a little tribute here to Freddie. I don't know if, some of those of you that have been with me for a long time know that my previous stick blender's name was Freddie. Tribute to Freddie Mercury. I love Queen. I love Freddie Mercury. So what I want to do is give this soap a look of how Freddie Mercury looked at Live Aid. So we're going to do a light blue for the jeans, a white for his, what was it called, tank top, black for his hair and his beautiful mustache, and then yellow with that gorgeous yellow coat. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so this is my Hathor recipe, especially with fragrances from Crafter's Choice. I always want to use my Hathor recipe. Oh, I better put my eye gear on. That would be helpful. Much helpful. So this is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And we are going to pipe on this. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Let me get this to a very light emulsification and I will be back. So I'm not going to do a lot of the colors. I pretty much want it. Oh crap! I just spilled that everywhere. Get back here. And of course, I'm going to have to clean off Martin before we get started because black will be my last color. And I want to make sure, that my blender is clean in case I have to, in case the fragrance races. Just need a little bit of blue and a little bit of white. I'm going to have to use my frother for those. Okay, so I will be back. I'll put the yellow in here and then we'll get started. I have cleaned off Martin. I'm not going to put the fragrance in any of the colors just to make it easy on myself. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do an in the pot swirl, if I'm going to do a hanger swirl, or I'm going to do a drop swirl. So it just depends on the fragrance. I'm not as confident with Crafter's Choice fragrances as I am Nature's Garden. And I did mix the Celestial Blue with some TD because the jeans he wore at Live Aid were very light. So let me get all of these spatulas out of here. And then we'll get started, y'all. Yay! Okay, let me put all this up here. Put this here. Let's see what it does. Okay, my mold is ready. Gotta make sure I have all the, hold on, I gotta alcohol it again. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see what this fragrance does, guys. Okay, it's not racing on the surface of the soap. I guess I should have... Oh man, it's thickening up though. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to do a in the pot swirl with this. I know you guys can't see me, I apologize. I can move this move this mold really quick. Okay, and then my black up high. We'll see what happens. I don't think I'm typing. I totally forgot to pull out some of the yellow. Oh no, y'all. Okay, so I guess we're gonna get some more soap. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is clumpy, y'all. Oh no. I'm gonna take a chopstick. Oh, this fragrance is terrible, y'all. It's beautiful. It smells gorgeous, but it completely, like, just clumped up. Oh my goodness. That's terrible. Now I'm so sad. I was so excited to do this soap. I'm just gonna, look at that. It's actually leaving like actual marks, and I'm not even going in that far. Well, we'll see how it does, y'all. Hopefully I don't have any fragrance seepage, because that's what it looks like it's gonna do. Like, look at that. It's almost completely hard as a rock. So yeah, I guess that's what we're gonna have to deal with. I'll put this in cupcake holders, and then actually, you know what I want to do really quick, because I see some black over here, some black soap that I can sort of spread over over here to see if I can get a little bit more black down here. Ah, messed that up, didn't I? Well, okay. It's already muddied up. Let's not muddy it up anymore. Oh, I'm disappointed with this fragrance. And watch, it's going to sell well, and I'm going to have to deal with this. At least I'll be able to, I think I should have stick blended it. And just went ahead and did a drop swirl and ran my hanger through it. So hopefully it doesn't look terrible. So alright guys, I will see you in 18 to 24 hours. Bye. We are back. Gosh, my glasses are like fogging up because of I'm sweating. But I do have to take my potato peeler to this. And I will tell you what you... Oh, that's not my potato peeler. Where are my potato peelers? Oh, there's one. Found one. I am really nervous about cutting this one, because I'm pretty sure it's nothing like I envisioned. I am so upset. I left a terrible review, which I don't ordinarily do. But I was so excited to use this fragrance. Makes me mad. Anyway, let's see what we got. I'm hoping I banged it enough for it to not have any bubbles. Well, let's see, first piece, because I don't like what I see right there. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad at all. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look at it. Almost looks like a snake coming up, a cobra. Super cool. Okay. That I can deal with. I can deal with that. Alright. Oh my goodness, it turned out so much better than I thought it would. Because, you know, I've got all this. Let me pull this back. You know, the sides and the bottom. Oh, look at that. How pretty that striping is. But, you know, there was so much black on the outside of it. I was like, oh my goodness, I used way too much black in this. Ah, and I just got soap underneath my fingernail. Harley Quinn, do not jump up here. And don't jump in the sink. There's water in there. I just did the dishes. You know what the funniest thing she does is, when I go in the bathroom, she lets herself in. She lets me pet her. And she goes in my shower. Because I have like a walk-in shower. What, baby? What? Do you just want to see everybody? Or are you ready for a nap and want me back in my chair? Sorry to say, after I'm done with this, I have to finish folding the laundry before hockey starts, my love. I like the way the top turned out. It is, I got soda ash. You know me, I always have freaking soda ash. I love that Bissell Steam Shot. If you're a soaper, you have to get it. Because it takes away your soda ash so quickly. It's no fuss, no muss. You can stick distilled water in there. That's what I do. And set them all in a row on some paper towel, because it's going to get the, you know, your soap wet. But as long as you're not touching on it, you know, it's not going to suds. Let your soap dry out, and there you go. You got a soap without soda ash. So, oh, I'm so happy with, considering the way this thing plopped into the mold. I'm gonna have to show my daughter the video footage of that. She's gonna be cracking up. Oh, that looks like a flower. I like it. I do. I think it's a decent tribute to Freddie Mercury. I love Freddie Mercury. His voice was just amazing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Perfect. I'm going to have another sample. Done. Yep. Oh, I like it. Because then it's been 2 days, actually, since I made this. So I'm pretty sure that after I dumped it all in, I ran a chopstick through. I won't know for sure. Like I said, I have brain damage, so I don't always remember if it's been a couple of days, but ran a chopstick through it. So I'm glad I did that. So that means I will be, if it sells well, I will be able to use the other ounce, because, you know, with a new fragrance, I only buy 1 ounce or 2 ounces, depending. So, all right, guys, I will see you later. Thanks for sticking with us. Bye-bye.